Hey everyone, Amtrak and 6 Griffin here, and we got my friend up with one of our favorite heritage units, probably 100, because I heard that unit was around this week doing the Lakeshore. It was working on the Lakeshore Limited at the beginning of this week, and now it's on the Maple Leaf once again. So it's probably it with the friend right now.
Airport taxi eastbound. Natick 332 clear, no defect plans, 947.
He'll probably be on the second track, but that's where the green signal was, not on the track when he should be on track 2, probably. Yep, that was him who just spoke on the radio.